So now I'm going to demonstrate how to import the file which we draw with the ShadowDraw software. First, you need to come here on Preference, then you click on Preference. On Preference, then you choose the second option, which reads Patch Editor. Then you click on Patch Editor. On Patch Editor, it will take you on this page here. On this page here, then you click New here. Then on New, you go on Import Fixture List, import the file which you saved. This is the drawing file which I created with ShadowDraw. And now I click OK here. Then here to take you on this option. Then on this option you press Next. So now the next option is to mark all these letters here from A to I. So let me go and mark everything here A to I. So you mark, left click, then you choose here the options here. So you mark everything. You need to mark everything. Make sure that you mark everything here, not leave them at none. Mark everything here. So that's what I'm going to do, to mark everything here. Not gonna leave anything here. But make sure you mark everything here. So after marking everything here, then the next step is to come here on assignment products. Then you click here beside the assignment, below assignment product. Here on product, you need to choose the protocol, which is DMX protocol here, not DVI. You choose DMX here. And here we need to choose RGB light. Then after that, you press OK. Then press OK here. Now finish exporting the drawing. So the next step is also really important. You need to make sure that you do the next step. The next step is to come here on matrix setting. You click on matrix setting. Then you click here on the first box, on the box here on top, which reads Match Focal Map Area. Then you press OK. So now we completed exporting our drawing. So the next step is to close the toMadrix software. And if I zoom it, maybe it's not that bright, but you cannot see it after. And I put some effects. I'm going to use the 66 Pro controller, which I connected to the toMadrix online. So I connected the Ethernet cable here. So I'm going to use it online. So this is the Ethernet cable I connected to my computer. You can see the Ethernet cable light here, which is indicating, which shows that my controller is connected to the Ethernet cable. You can also use it offline or online. So I'm going to use it online. Now let me plug in my power supply of the lead strip. I'm going to use this lead strip. You can see this lead strip. When I plug in my power supply on power, the lead strip is going to start showing the effects corresponding to the toMadrix software. Let me plug in my power supply. Then you're going to see my lead strip is going to start corresponding with the effect on the toMadrix software. You can see my lead strip now is corresponding with the toMadrix software here. So let me go to other options we have here. You can see this is color changing option. You can see it's gradually changing according to the toMadrix software. A lot of inbuilt effects you can choose from toMadrix software. So you can see the mapping I did with the Shadow Rocket software. Let me change to the other effect. Let me go with the radio wave effect. You can see this is the radio wave effect. So a lot of different kind of effects you can choose here on toMadrix. We have a lot of effects you can go with. That's all about using ShadowDraw software to draw the pixels, then export the file to the toMadrix software and program the effects and use it online with the toMadrix software. Thank you for your time. See you on the next tutorial video.